First upload a video or image, then turn on universal glitch and make sure it's set to audio, so it will be automatically change based on the audio bits. Then you can also additionally add color mask and choose the background color you want. So I'll go with black or red. Let's go with black. Then you have to turn on the video jockey, and for this effect let's select depth scan and other presets as you like, and let's keep it the luminance. For depth,
stuck at a dead end, she trips me again, and I'm falling back to the start. Get your knees under.
Yo, I look so whack right now. What the fuck?
and you are done. That's how easy it is. Just export your video and you are good.